Hey, my loves. I know it's been so long since I posted a video. Listen, life happens. So much was happening at once, and I didn't know which way to turn, but we are back. Okay, so in this video, I am going to be baking a whole chicken. So as you can see here, of course, I cleaned the chicken first. I did not add that clip to the video. I assume you guys know how to clean your chicken, meat, whatever the case is. So I cleaned the chicken, took off a little bit of the fat. And here you see me adding some pimento seeds. I added some Maggi all-purpose, a little lemon pepper. And as you can see, in the lineup of seasonings, we have Mistress Dash. I believe that was the chicken seasoning, garlic and herb. We had some black pepper. This seasoning I had in a Ziploc bag I carried to my grandfather's house from my house. I believe that was Old Bay, along with what's the name of that barbecue seasoning again? I can't remember the brand, but I think it was, I don't know if it was Chipotle barbecue. I don't remember. I'll update you guys in the comments about it. But yeah, I added that, a little onion flakes, some browning. This is the brand Jamaican Choice. I don't know if it's just me. I prefer Grace, but with the Grace brand, you have to be careful how much you use. You know, with Jamaican Choice, I feel like you have a little more leeway with error. It won't make your meat get too dark if you put a little bit too much. However, I know with the Grace brand, it is a little more rich, the browning. I feel like that's why I like it a little more. But like I said, if you do use Grace, be careful because it can make your meat get a little bit too dark. But yeah, I just added some thyme. Okay, here you will notice that I already added some smashed garlic cloves, some tomato. I squeezed some lemon on the chicken, and I believe I squeezed some inside the chicken as well. Here I'm cutting up some onions, and I also cut a few pieces of ginger and place a few pieces inside of the chicken. Now we are cutting up some scallion, or as some may call it, green onions. Okay, so right here you will see that I am rubbing the seasonings into the chicken very well. Usually I lift up a few sides of the skin and push the seasoning under the skin, as well as I will poke a few small holes into the chicken so that the seasoning permeates throughout the chicken. We want our chicken well seasoned, and I've never had any complaints with any of my food. So with that being said, you should follow the instructions of this video.
Hold the faith and pray, don't stop. Rain no fall pan one man, oh stop. Me great granny gang and she's cool me. Me mother Peony, me auntie Joni. Tell me say me not fi be no bad man like Ryan. Be a good youth like Mooney. From me a little boy.
As you can see, I don't just rub up the chicken a few times. No, I make sure that I'm rubbing the seasoning into the chicken really well. Like I said, inside the chicken and outside the chicken. And also I put some seasoning under the skin. Powdered seasoning as well as the cut up vegetables. Now you see me here just cutting up some carrots, quartering them, and I put a few in the roasting pan with some scallion, aka green onions, as well as I cut up some tomatoes, And as you see, I placed some thyme in the roasting pan as well, and some pimento seeds.
Life is a long race, but a Babylon a try turn it in a rat race. Set we like crabbing at the crocus bag.
And as you can see here, I am, well, I already placed a few lemon slices inside the chicken, some of the carrots, some onion, garlic, ginger, and scallion. Alright, you see this part here? This is what I meant by like putting some seasoning under the skin. It really helps to give your chicken a lot of flavor. I also add some butter under the skin inside the chicken, and this will help to keep your bird moist. Now look at our birdie. It's such a cute little birdie. It is so ready to be baked in that oven, and I cannot wait. So now we have finished seasoning our chicken, and it is well garnished with our beautiful lemon slices, some nice cut up carrots, the onions, everything. It looks so beautiful, and it tastes even better. So just for context, I did bake this chicken for about an hour and 20 minutes at 415 degrees Fahrenheit. But it varies according to how much your chicken weighs. Now let me give you a sneak peek before it goes in the oven. Now this is what our chicken is looking like so far. And as you can see, I baste it every now and again, maybe every 15 minutes or so. So guys, this is what the finished product looks like. Look how beautiful and scrumptious that chicken looks. It tasted so great. I wish you had some. Until next time.